Hi everyone, my name is Ankur. Today I am going to cook mutton curry, which is one of my favorite dishes. Okay, before I start, I would like to clarify one thing that this may not be how everyone cooks back in my country, but it is only the way that I can cook here with the minimum facilities I have. And here is the ginger, garlic, green chilies, potatoes, onions, and this is turmeric powder, salt. That's all I need. Only that's all I have to cook the mutton curry. Everything is ready now, and this is the paste. I also added one onion and green chilies while making the paste along with the ginger garlic. And this is the mutton marinated with the turmeric powder and some red chili powder. And the cooking oil I will be using is the mustard oil, which I bought from an Indian store. I think mustard oil is not that common in Thailand. Okay, so now everything is ready, we can start cooking. The meat is cooked and ready to be served. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.